So I started here with 3 pieces of wood measuring about 15 inches long, and I'm using my circular handsaw to cut the pieces. Now these are about 3 inches wide, and I love to collect pallets. Anytime I see a pallet, I definitely grab it, and I use this Decor to take apart the pallet. So now I have 3 pieces of the 15 inches cut. And at the top of each piece, I'm measuring in about 1/2 inch, and then I'm taking a straight edge and just making an angle. So now the top there kind of looks like a type of picket fence, and then I'm just going to make my cuts with the handsaw. And I did this to the top of each piece. So once I had one cut, I just went over and used that as my guide for the other 2 pieces. And then I had this small piece of wood. It's about 1 inch wide, and I just cut it to the width of the 3 pallets put together. And using some wood glue, I attached that, and I cut 2 of these pieces. I put one at the bottom here, and I clamped it and allowed it to dry, and then I also put one at the top. Now the wood was a little rough, so I just used a 220 grit piece of sandpaper, and it did smooth it out a little bit. And then you just want to make sure that you remove any dust from the sanding before you paint it. And I just love this because I feel like you can just use this as a platform for anything that you want to make. So I took some Antique Villa paint from Wise Owl, and I covered the wood using 2 coats. And all paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And once that was fully covered and dry, I took some dried thyme and an art brush, and I just covered the 2 1-inch pieces that we attached. Then a while back, I had grabbed this hook from Hobby Lobby. I like to grab these things, especially when they are 50% off. And I got this for about $3. And I just attached it to the top of the board there using a screwdriver. And there you go. And now you can hang whatever you want from it. I'd gotten this artificial succulent from Walgreens, and I think it fit there perfectly. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com, and you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube channel. Have a great day.